I will teach you how to trick your brain. If your kitchen or living room or any other room is small, we have got a problem to solve. Your room is defined or limited by walls and ceiling. You really cannot physically change these boundaries. Hence, only option we have got is to make this room appear bigger than it actually is. As mentioned earlier, 50% of interior design is about playing with brain. You trick your brain to give a feeling of spaciousness or any other quality which is missing in your room. If ceiling is low, there is a way to make room appear tall. If two opposite walls are close, there is a trick to make it appear wide open. Whenever you are fighting with lack of space, use these three principles. Maximize lights. Imagine a big portion of your room is not lighted enough. It is visually cutting down space. So maximize light. Declutter your room. Less clutter you have, more space you get. Use white or pale colors. This will blur out corners and edges and it will make room appear more spacious. And then there are few more tricks which we will see ahead.